I am a weary sailor and I have some money. I'd like to get to know you the next time I'm in town. Next time I'm in town. I sail away from Portsmouth upon the Royal James to fight for king and country, seeking our revenge, seeking our revenge. You're young enough and pretty, your skin so soft and pale. If I caught another looking, I'd end up in the jail, I'd end up in the jail. Never out to sailor's heart, never out to sailor's heart. He'll wait for you out on the ocean blue. Well, tell your darling mother, tell your father too. Best to keep your house bound, keep an eye on you, keep an eye on you. When I return to England, I'll take you by the hand, and you will come a-courting with your sailor man, with your sailor man. Never out to sailor's heart, never out to sailor's heart, never out to sailor's heart, never out to sailor's heart. He'll wait for you out on the ocean blue. Begin to whistle and the waves begin to roll, I'll think of you, my darling, on the deck here all alone, on the deck here all alone. Now when I'm gone, don't marry, don't even look around, for a jealous sailor will send you heaven bound, send you heaven bound. Never out to sailor's heart, never out to sailor's heart, never out to sailor's heart, never out to sailor's heart. Oh, the price of love is dangerous, and I hope you understand. Your beauty is contagious, I'm a jealous sailor man, I'm a jealous sailor man.